Hello, welcome to video 2 here. We broke this one into pieces. I'm Brian, this is my daughter.
Emily.
And this second video is about
Video 2 Normalized Gains.
normalized gains, doing normalized gains in Excel. So first I need to type in normalized and then, gains. And for some reason my font's all messed up, so I'm just going to select on this tab here and change my font to the automatic, so it's just the same. I want to calculate normalized gains in Excel. I'm going to use the function bar because it's just a little bit easier. I click up here and I got this function bar. I can say this equals, and we're given the formula. I know that the normalized gains equals the post-test number minus, and I select the cell for the pre-test number in parentheses, that value divided by the 100, the total score, which for this one was out of 100, minus the pre-test. You can see me looking over to my cheat sheet as we go through, minus the pre-test, parentheses, and hit enter. And I get a 0 because these are the same score, right? Now that's just one number inside there. Again, if I drag that equation down, it's going to apply to the whole thing, and boom, I get all these numbers. Now, we can't be having that kind of accuracy with these data, so I'm going to select the numbers, right click, go to format cells. When I format cells, I can go to number, just 2 decimals is fine, hit OK, and now everything's 2 decimals. And we have our normalized gains calculated in Excel for all those points. Now just looking through it, you can see the negative gains to positive gains, and then there's this guy here, just to highlight them there, the negative 35. Very interesting, and we have to figure out how much of an outlier that is, and what do we do with that, and that just might be a question. Okay, thank you for watching video 2. You have anything to say, Emily?
Thank you for watching part 2.
All right. Bye. Hope it was helpful.